Hey guys, this is Bob Monks from BioPlaySD. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a new video for chat spam. What's his name again? His name is Super Cliched Username or whatever. Super Cliche Username. He is the guy that wanted this, so I'm going to do a chat spammer. Next, I'm going to do a torch nuker. He also wanted that. So first, what you want to do is for the chat spammer, you want to come into Entity Client Player MP, and if you find that, you just press E, and then come all the way down here, down here. Keep going. And maybe a bit up, and then it's come to like these ones, and it'll be right here. Just open it, and it'll put it up here. Just type Command, Control F or Command F, whichever operating system OS you're on, or whatever. I'm not sure that's the right word. Anyways, and then you want to close that down, and then you want to type swing item. And that should be the first one. I already have a no swing here. I've already done the tutorial on that. But so then come up, and then you'll find this public void send chat message string power blah blah blah. So what you want to do is you want to come send queue add whatever. Forget about that. Just click enter twice. I like to do it 3 times, and then just come up here. And then you want to write it's not too big, but so you want to write if par1 str. So basically, if it says string and it says something here, so it could be like par1 ste or something. The reason I get errors because these would have to be ste and everything. But if it just make this if and then whatever this second thing is. I'll change that back quickly. Mine's par1 ste. It might be s. It might be. I'm not sure. And then you want to go to dot starts with, and then you want to do some more brackets, and then you want to open a thingy-jiggy, and then you want to type whatever. So mine's gonna be a dot spam or a hash spam. I'm not sure. Mine's gonna be a hash spam. I feel like doing a hash spam for some reason. And then you want to open that up, and then you want to do a try statement, and then try, and then you want to do boolean flag 5 equals false. I'm not sure what that does. I'll try and find that out maybe. I'm not sure what it does though. AS5, and then you want to do the square brackets, and then you do the par1 str again dot split, and then you want to open that again, and then you can do equals. So basically, it's gonna what this is doing. It's splitting the command and the amount thing. So basically, for me, I'm gonna make it dash spam equals 100 equals lol or whatever. So that's what it's gonna look like. That equals this thing is just what splits it. So if you want to, you can put like that, or you can put that, or you can put anything you want. I'm just gonna put that because obviously it's easiest. And then you want to close that. Then you want to do string s1 equals as5. Open those brackets up and then close them again, and then you want to do that, and you want to close it with a colon or semicolon. I'm not sure. I think that's a semicolon. Anyway, and then you want to open a new line again. This is near the end. How long have we been recording? 4 minutes. Near the end. Int j equals integer dot parse int as5. Then you want to go back into those square brackets, put a 2, and then finish them. And then you want to go out of it. And then you want to go out of everything, and then not do that. Out of everything, and put a semicolon or a colon, whatever it's called. Then you want to do for statement. Then you want to do int l equals 0. And then you want to semicolon that off. Then you want space l is smaller than j, and then you want to do l ++, and then you want to go to the side, make some more bracket squiggly brackets. Then you want to do send what is it again? Send Q. I forgot how to spell Q. Send Q dot add to send QUEE. Add send Q, and then you want to open brackets, and you want to do new packet 3 chat, and then you want to do S1. And then you want to go and close, no, not close, but stop that. You want to come out here, you want to enter, and then you want to do enter again, you want to create some more brackets, and then you want to do catch, and then you want to do EX, CEP, exception, EX, CEP, exception 5. So we'll do that. That's a simple thingamajig. Wait just a second. Okay, wait, no, forget that. No, delete this catch thing. Oops. Delete that, and then you want to go outside the second one, and this is where you want to do the catch. So you want to do catch, catch, exception 5. Do that in there. I think that error will go away in a second. Yeah, that error should go in a second. I think I've done something wrong. I'm scared now. No, okay, wait, no. What's it called again? Delete that and delete that. So basically just enter on here and then do that. And then you want to make a new line, and then you want to do that, and then some squiggly brackets, and then do that so it's inside the catch exception thingy. And then you want to do mc.the player with a capital P, not L, P, dot add chat message. This is if you do it wrong, if you type something wrong, and then this first part is the color 247. See, that's just the color. That's just making it like a red color, kind of color thing. Invalid usage or invalid syntax. I'm going to do that. Invalid syntax. Hash spam equals message equals amount. This is just amount. This is just what it's gonna say if you do it wrong. Oops, no, wait. Put this in these things, whatever they're called again. Don't do two of them. Put it like that, and then you should be good to go. Let me just delete this up here where I was reading from. And then if you run this, go in here, go on my server, log in quickly. So let's see if it works. Whoa. Okay, sorry about that. Anyway, and then you want to do, not escape, what is it? Chat, and then you want to do hash spam equals 100 equals, thanks for, no, for watching. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? Hashtag spam. What's in here? Spam split integer. That is weird. Did I do something wrong there? Let me see. Oh, 10 minutes. That is weird. That is very, very weird. Full split it. 1, 2. That's weird. Maybe I typed it wrong or something. Oops. Equals 100 times, and then equals thanks. That is really weird. I think, wait, let me try this quickly. Change this hash to a dash. And let me try running it like that. Dash. If it doesn't work out, I am so sorry. Let's see. Okay, dash spam. It worked last time. Anyway, dash spam equals 100 equals thanks. Oops. For watching. That is really weird. That is really weird. That is really weird. I'm gonna copy this and see if there's anything in here. See if it works if I copy that. And I paste it there. That looks exactly the same to me. Let me try it now. Let me see if it works anyway. Just want to see if there's anything that I could have done wrong. If there's anything that I could have... Ooh, he's not meant to be online. Who is that online? Slash... Oops. Player 55. Oh, oops. Yeah, okay. Dash spam... Oops. Dash spam equals 100 times, and the amount. No, no, I'm doing the wrong way around. What am I thinking? It's completely right. Dash spam. No, you want to do thanks for watching here, and then you want to do equals, and then you want to do the amount, and then it will spam that to your greatest needs of spamming. So yeah, and then you can do all that. So, I'm sorry about that. The command that I gave you, the code that I gave you will still work. Let's try it a couple more times. So yeah, it should work. Let me just see and get the title before I leave here. If I don't go over the limit. Ooh, I gotta finish really soon. Anyway, so yeah, let me change it back to hash, because I want hash. So yeah, that is how you do that. I was completely right. It was just I was doing it. So the message first and then amount, not amount and then message. And yes, make sure you put it inside public voids and chat message. Anyway, this has been the chat spammer for your Minecraft client, and I hope to see you guys soon in the next tutorial of a Torch Nuker. Okay, bye guys.